Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Hacker Associate Broadcast. You're watching the Hacker Show. In this section, we're going to learn about how to intercept the app traffic from the mobile. It means if you see here, okay, we have a Genymotion running, and whatever I do here, okay, regarding application or maybe a browser or traffic, I want to redirect, okay, from here to here. It means to the Burp. How we can do this one? Okay, how we can intercept the traffic? That is very important, okay, specifically when you are performing bug bounty things. So for bug bounty, this is very important topic, like how to intercept the traffic. So in this particular section, what I'm going to do here is, you can see clearly, this is Genymotion and I'm going to use Ngrok. So first you need a certificate. So first download certificate, okay, from the proxy options, proxy setting, and then import, export CS certificate in the DAR format. So go to the next area, okay, select the file. Okay, I'm going to write example, let's say hers.dar. Okay, and then put okay in any folder as your choice. So example, it's I will save okay under this and next. So you can see the file successfully saved and this is the DAR format. Now we need to rename it okay to CER. So if you see here, okay, in my case, I have OpenC while Pentesting folder. I already done this thing. So you can see the burp. I exactly did the same thing. So if you go to the download folder, the same DER, I rename it okay to CER like this. Okay. So now this certificate you can again copy and paste here. So exactly we have the same certificate available there .cer. Okay, if you want, I have a complete cheat sheet available. Using the cheat sheet, you can do the thing, the same thing. You can also automate okay all the stuff like one-click assistance. So you can do Genymotion certificate installation cheat sheet. If you simple right click, open with browser example, let's say Firefox. You can read each and every information. Yeah, I already mentioned how to push the certificate okay to the phone. So here we have example, right? So first you can check ADB devices. So in my case, you can see here ADB devices, then ADB shell. You can see the ID. We have a SU, and you can see clearly now we have a root shell by the way, right? So we already have all this, and even if you want to start the root service, you can simple type ADB root. Okay, so it is rooted by the way. Okay, LS and the ID. You can see this is rooted device. This is also the way. Okay, so now you know the device is rooted and now you know the certificate. Only thing is you need to drag and drop the certificate here. Otherwise, you can use my cheat sheet. Each and everything is well explained here. You can see navigate to the directory, download the burp, convert certificate to the PEM format. So your certificate, okay, is a DAR format .cer, convert into the PEM format. So this is the command you can use and convert okay into the PEM. So if you see in my folder, I also have a PEM here right now we are implementing. Okay, because I tried many other method, it failed. So this is the correct method, you should use it. So certificate already in the PEM format, skip this step. If unsure, you can try the opening the file in the text editor. PEM file start with the begin certificate. Once you do this, you can also generate the certificate hash name. This is the command, okay, or generate the certificate hash name. And suppose the some name, okay, will come like this. So now after that, you can again rename certificate with the hash and push the certificate using the push utility. So these are all steps, follow the things. And again, if you are new to this particular domain, even I already created the one-click installer. It means just run the script automatically, it's going to set all the certificate, all the setting and everything properly. And then you can simply come to the Genymotion and verify. So if you go to the setting area, if you go to the security, and if you go further, okay, to more security settings here, and under this area, we have encryption and credential area. You can go there and here trusted certificate, you can see install certificate. So if you click on the trusted certificate, the system level certificate should be there. Okay. We are not interested, okay, in the user level. Make sure, okay, like you select this and the system level certificate should be switch on. It means I want port trigger, okay, on this system level certificate. There are two types of level, okay, we need to understand user level certificate level and the system level certificate level. So I'm looking for the ports figure. This is GH and then IJKLM. This is, you can see ports figure. Correct? This is a ports figure. And you can see it is system level certificate turned on. So if this is on, okay, then it's very easy. What we can do is after that, we can simple Let me make a full screen. After this, we can simply go back. Okay, we can go to the super proxy area. Okay, this application you can download it. Okay, here. And what you can do is you can simple configure this. So example, let's say if I go to the setting area example. Okay, this is the setting example. Let's say you go to proxy. See, this is basically the proxy running there, right? So you need to configure the Ngrok. So in my case, if you see the Ngrok is running. Okay, this is my, you can see Ngrok, and I simple type TCP 8080. So if you see my PDF, I type this command, which is Ngrok TCP 8080, and it is running perfectly. Okay, and this traffic basically, whatever we do with Ngrok, okay, that traffic will automatically redirect, okay, to the Burp Suite where Burp is running 8080, right? Now, so once you set it up, you can see the HTTP protocol server, exactly it is written, okay, in this terminal, which is 0.tcp in ngrok.io, and then the port number, and then you start the server. When you start the server, okay, now traffic will, okay, move, okay, from I think Jenny motion, okay, to the Burp. So now whatever I do, okay, you will see the traffic here, right? These are the traffic already capturing, by the way, from the phone. So example, if you go here further, and if I just click here again, you can see if I click on this browser, and again, if I simple type yahoo.com, okay, and whatever I am doing, okay, here in this particular phone, the traffic will come under this area. Okay, this is the yahoo.com. See that? This is the traffic. Okay, this is a very dangerous thing. Okay, it means if you are able to install certificate at the system level, then okay, like everything, okay, you can analyze. It means you can perform a proper application assessment and identify the bug and quickly report it. Okay, this exactly I want to discuss, okay, in the particular video. A great day, and see you in the next episode.